Hi everyone! Are you ready for some foundations today? Awesome. I want to make sure you're ready to listen, so here's a test. Can you touch your nose? Touch your head? Wiggle your arms? Do the robot? And tell me your favorite animal. All right, what letter does that animal start with? My favorite animal is a tiger. Tiger. Starts with a T. See if you can make the letter that your favorite animal starts with your body. Cool. Oh, that's a hard letter to make, an S. What could this letter be? Maybe an L. Okay, let's now get started with our warm-up. Repeat after me. A-M, ham, am. A-N, fan, an. T-H, thumb. W-H, whistle, w. C-K, sock, k. S-H, ship, sh. C-H, chin, ch. A-L-L, ball, all. Nice job. And remember, the cards that are green, what do we call those? We have our 3 green ones. Good, they're glued sounds. Excellent. Okay, and let's review a couple of our standard cards. A, apple, a. D, d. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, A-M, ham, am. A-N, fan, an. Great job, everybody. I am going to build you a word of the day. Check it out. It's starting with this sound. What does that sound make? And then we have our glued sound. Am. What's our word? Ham. That's right. Ham. How would we mark the word ham? Do you know? We need to box in the glued sound. Watch me do that. A-M is glued together. We know the M makes it sound a little different. There's that word ham. Have you ever eaten ham? There's all different kinds. There's honey ham. There's sometimes spicy ham. There's big ham on the bone, or you can have slices. Also, someone could call you a ham if you're kind of always maybe being a little dramatic and acting and hamming it up, kind of like getting attention. So it can be a food or describing a person. Let's try to read some more words with glued sounds. I'm going to point and I want you to say the word. Sam. Tap it if you need to. B-am. Bam. H-am. Ham. K-an. Can. Fan. Call. Very good. What do all of these words have? A glued sound. That is correct. Okay, we need to go ahead and add our new word of the day. What is our word? Ham, into our student notebooks. So find your student notebook and find the vocabulary section, and ham starts with H, so we need to go and find the letter H. Once you find it, remember it looks like this, you'll write ham here, and then we'll come up with a sentence that we write right there. So go ahead, pause on this screen to enter ham and mark the box. Okay, now we need to come up with our sentence together. What could be a short little sentence about ham? I like to eat ham. Okay, we'll start with an uppercase. I space like to eat am. And I'll put my stop sign, my period at the end. I like to eat ham. I like to eat ham. Go ahead and put this in your student notebook. Make sure you have good finger spaces and take your time forming all those words. Pause right here until you enter your sentence. All right, let's read our sentence together and scoop it if you didn't scoop it yet. I like to eat ham. I like to eat ham. Great job. Do you like to eat ham? I do. Okay, everybody. Next, we are going to learn some new trick words. It's trick word time. Woohoo! Let me put my H and my AM back and bring you over to the trick word spot. All right, my friends, check it out. We know that we have our sentence frame whenever we do trick words. It looks like this. We start with a capital and end with a stop sign. Are you ready to hear my sentence? Okay. Repeat after me. This present is from Jan. Okay, let's count how many words that is. This present is from Jan. I got 5. What did you get? All right, I'm going to start with my uppercase frame for this. It's the TH. It's a noisy TH. This present. This present is, I know that trick word, from Jan. And Jan is a person's name, so I'm going to use an uppercase one here as well. And then my stop sign will be a period. This present is from Jan. Can you see it okay? Let me bring you a little closer. Okay, great. I'm going to circle this word right here. Tell me if you can read it. This present is from Jan. What does this circled word say? From. That's our new trick word. From. Let's take a look. Put it in our little box up here. Can you hear the F in from? Yeah, the FR. Those aren't the tricky parts. It sounds like a U, but it's an O. From. So the tricky part is just the vowel. So you can still use the beginning sounds to help you find this word and work on this word. From. Okay, let's look at another sentence now. I'm going to erase our sentence. And here's our next one. Repeat after me. Do you have your ticket? Let's count the words. Do you have your ticket? That makes me think of the Polar Express. Hold on to that. Ticket. Okay, 5 words again. Let's start with our uppercase D and do. You, that's a trick word we know. Have your, that's a trick word we know. Ticket. And this sounds like a question, so we need the tall frame at the end. For our stop sign, it's going to be a question mark. And I'm going to circle this word right here. This is our next new trick word. Do you have your ticket? Hear how my voice goes up because it's a question? What's this trick word? That's right, very good. It's have. All of those sounds are normal. The tricky part is the E on the end. So we have 2 new trick words. What's this one say? From. And this one says have. From, have. Let's go ahead and learn how to skywrite these. So stand up and we're going to work on the word from. Go ahead, get your 2 fingers out. We're going to skywrite. Spell it with me and write it. F-R-O-M. From. Take your finger and close your eyes and practice writing it again. F-R-O-M. From. Nice job. Let's do our second trick word. What is our word? Have. Arms out. H-A-V-E. Have. Eyes closed and finger. H-A-V-E. Have. Great job, everybody. we need to enter these into our student notebook so that you have a spot that you can always look back if you forget how to spell them. So let's go ahead and find the trick word part. It's in the very back. Let's start with from. What letter does from start with? Good. If you open up to from page, you'll also see the word for. Let's just go to a new F and enter that word for. Remember, the tricky part is the vowel. It sounds like it should be a U. And if your notebook looks different, that's okay. You'll just write from down below wherever there's space. From. Okay, pause if you need more time. And for have, our other trick word, what letter does it start with? H. Very good. So we can enter have. H-A-V-E. Have. Pause here until you have those trick words. Okay, let's do a quick little race with all of our trick words. See if you can beat me in reading these. Here we go. Or for. We, he, she, be, me. Ah, it's upside down. Could you read it upside down? Good for you. And. As, has. The. Of. The trickiest trick word because neither of the letters make the right sound. They. Noisy TH. I. Always uppercase when it's by itself. You, your. Said. The tricky part's the vowels. It sounds like a short E. Was. One, like the number 1. Have, our new one. From. Great job! Did you beat me on any of those? Even if you didn't, I hope you read the word with me after. Okay, my friends, the last thing that we need today is our whiteboards and a dry erase marker, and we're going to practice some words. Let's go and number it. 1, 2, 3, just like this. We're going to write 3 words and then we will read them. Okay, here's our first word. Repeat after me. Chill. Everybody needs to chill. Let's tap it. Ch, I, ul. And think about that rule when we hear ul, L at the end. Chill. Okay, if you're finished, can you put a star on the bonus letter? You should have a bonus letter. Put a star over it. And can you underline the digraph? All right, check it out. Does it look like mine? What does our word say? Tap out what you wrote. Ch, I, ul, chill. Chill. Nice job. Let's go down to number 2. Repeat after me. Dan. Tap it. D, an. Spell it out loud. Picture it in your head. D would be what letter? An would be what glued sound. Spell it, then write it. Please box in your glued sound. And did you remember to start with an uppercase? Because Dan is a person's name. Should look just like mine. Fix it up if you need to. And let's go to word number 3. Repeat after me. Thick. Let's tap it out. I, k. Remember the rule when k comes at the end, right after a short vowel. You should have 2 digraphs. Mark them both. And then check it with mine. Fix up anything and let's read our words together. Chill, Dan, thick. Nice job, everybody. Make sure you erase your board and keep looking out all around you on signs and books for words with glued sounds, our new learning. Have a good day.